Hello and welcome to Contemporary Math 155, here at Aiken Technical College for the spring of 2017. And in this version, we'll take a look at the course as it relates to my math lab. We'll take a look at how your grade is determined and what's expected of you in the course. The first thing we'll do is take a look at the addendum. And on the addendum, we have my information. I am your instructor, Mr. Cummings. My office room number is 752. Here are my office hours, my phone number, and my email address. The required materials for the course are a My Math Lab access code and a scientific calculator. Next, we have the grading policy. The grading policy consists of 4 categories, which are homework, quizzes, tests, and the final exam. Each are weighted at 25%. The homework is open all semester long. I encourage you to work ahead if possible, but whenever you start to have trouble, you should immediately seek help from myself as your instructor or the Academic Success Center. The quizzes are worth 25% of your final grade. Each chapter has a quiz that's associated with it that's set at 3 attempts. The tests are worth 25% of your final grade. All of the tests are to be taken at home except for the final exam. The final exam is worth 25% as well. You will be allowed to use a page of notes front and back. You will be allowed to use your calculator. There are no final exam exemptions, and the final exam is to be announced. Next, we see the outline of the course. And in the course, we are looking at 4 chapters, chapter 5, 9, 10, and 12. Here we have the anticipated test dates. Next, we have the grading scale. There's a regular 10-point grading scale. The next link we'll take a look at is the homework link. And in the homework link, you can find your homework assignments. Notice that you may see past due over to the right, but you should still be able to click into the assignment and finish the homework assignments. The next thing we have are quizzes and tests. So once you complete all of the homework assignments for that particular chapter, the next thing you'll proceed to do is take the quiz for that chapter, and then you can take the test for that chapter. The quizzes and tests can be taken ahead of time. I encourage you to stay ahead of the schedule. And here we have the course laid out. You will finish the homework. You'll take the quiz. Each quiz is set at 3 attempts. Remember that only the highest attempt counts towards your final average. And then you'll take the test. Notice that there's only 1 attempt on the test. Next, we have the grade book. And in the grade book section, you can keep up with your overall score up to date. It also gives you the time spent and also the date worked on your problems. Next, we have the Multimedia Library link. In the Multimedia Library link, there's some supplemental items that are within this link. We have the learning activity. There's some section video lectures. There's some animations. You can even access the textbook online, line for line, word for word. We don't require a physical textbook because the textbook is housed online within the course. There's also some helpful videos as well as PowerPoint. And that concludes the addendum for contemporary math. Thanks for watching.